Hey, good people, it's CC Devereaux, and we are about to witness me try to recreate this hairstyle. I saw this picture on Pinterest, thought it was beautiful, and said, hey, let me try it. So here we go. And just a heads up, if you've been rocking with me for a while, then you already know, but I'm not a huge stickler for having clean parts. So this style wasn't really the neatest, but I like the way it turned out. I know if my hair was retightened, it would be neater than it is, but hey, work with what you got, right? All right, good people, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love this style. It was giving me that whole 99 in the 2000 vibe. Took me back. It was super easy to do, so if you guys want to give this a try, I definitely suggest that you do. And yeah, you guys, be sure to subscribe, comment, like, and all that good stuff. And until next time, bye, good people.